The US DOT's plan to accelerate V2X development puts safety first, especially for our most vulnerable road users like pedestrians. At Miovision, we have the complete technology needed to implement the US DOT's vision, the scale and the expertise to make it impactful. Through real-time, actionable insights at intersections, Miovision helps identify and prevent potential risks before accidents happen. Our V2X data solutions bring to life new vehicle dashboard experiences, delivering real-time safety messages, keeping drivers informed and alert.
The commitment to Vision Zero is universal and necessary to prevent traffic-related deaths. Although efforts are being made to reach Vision Zero, traffic incidents are still on the rise. At Miovision, our mission to improve intersection safety took a major leap forward with our vulnerable road user VRU alert concept. Miovision's VRU alert integrates a sensing layer to track traffic, a decision layer to evaluate risk, and an execution layer to trigger mitigation actions through connected devices like phones, digital signs, and adaptive crosswalks. This technology, paired with V2X communication, is expanding the reach of intersection safety and enables intersections to predict and prevent potential collisions, alerting both vehicles and pedestrians to avoid danger. Vision Zero is achievable, and Miovision is committed to help improve road safety.
At Miovision, we have a specialized division entirely focused on roadway safety, and we understand what it takes to make the roads safer for everyone.